Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you the next part on our series on how to use chipa-ta. Remember guys, just a quick reminder, you can check our services. But yes, without further ado, let's get back to the tutorial. Yes, so guys, in this video we're gonna start by trying to see how to get batch prices with chipa-ta. To get started, you're just gonna write this SMA batch, yes, batch equals indicator, yes, .sma of a period 3. Yes. Next, so you just wanna put a variable. Well, you're gonna store the result, which you're just gonna do smart. Well, it's not batch, it would be next batch. Yes, exactly. This price is it's exactly what we want. Yes, in this case, to test this out, because of this specific case, I'm gonna need to run all of these cells. You'll probably need to do the same. Well, probably each time you make the video, you get it. But yes, here I'm rerunning everything because yes, we can test the actual library itself. Alright guys, wait up. It's yes, import JSON. Yes, and finally we've arrived. All the asserts, all the testing, and here we go. Alright guys, now next thing we're gonna do is just we wanna print the result, exactly this, just here you're just gonna make a basic for loop, which you're gonna just put for price res yes, z, of course, price is result, exactly this, right, print price, yes, exactly. Now in the for loop, we just wanna quick verification, just a quick verification that we want to do. Just put SMA stream as variable name, stream equals Indicator.sma 3, yes, then another for p in prices, yes, exactly this. Wait, let me check something. SMA free stream. There we go. Alright guys. Now just wanna put the last stream equals this, the last stream, yes. Then we just wanna just want to print some stuff. You can just print last SMA, yes, exactly this, and then just last yes, last stream, yeah. Yes, all right. Then we're just gonna check everything. Then yes, yeah, basically yeah, well, that's gonna, normally this we should run and everything's gonna work. And yes, okay, in the assert we just did the, I'm just gonna be yeah, sorry, not last result. Here we actually want to put the number, just gonna put 9.0, yes, exactly this. Maybe I'm not sure yet. Well, we're just gonna comment this out, and that should work now. And yes guys, basically that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, you can check our services. And for cheapest worth, my name is Vigo Walker. See you in the next one.